Hello friends, once again you are welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. Today also I am here with a new video based on figures of speech in grammar, and in that one today I am clarifying some more types who are important in figures of speech. And already you might have seen my previous 4 videos based on figures of speech, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. This one is the part 5. In previous video mostly 16 types already I covered. Now just total 5 types I am including in this video. See on the screen. That is the tautology, pun, litotes, irony, euphemism. And all these 5 are also very important like the previous one. So you have to just now see one by one all these important figures of speech. Now see on the screen, that is why I have written 17th type, because already 16th I have done. Now 17, that is starting one, that is the tautology. What mean by tautology? Say here, when two or more words convey the same meaning, then it is called tautology. Means two or more words convey means express. When they express same meaning, then it is called tautology. Now see the examples. See the first. They entered into a joint partnership. See here, already I have highlighted in each sentence the part which is identifying especially the same meaning. Already see the definition, two or more words expressing the same meaning. See the first one, that is the joint partnership. See the joint also and partnership also both give same meaning. Tautology means what will you do? You will keep in one thing in mind, that two or more words with same meaning. I rejoice the happy sight. Rejoiced me and happy both give same meaning. I enjoyed the happy sight. Okay. We must buy pure unadulterated food items. Pure and unadulterated, both meaning is same like previous one. Rejoiced showing happiness and happy meaning already we know very well. Let us repeat it again. Repeating, repeat and again, both gives same type meaning. That is totally and completely unacceptable. Totally and completely. Okay, they express same meaning. This is a new innovation. Innovation also means doing new thing. So new and innovation both are giving same meaning. Last sentence, I entered in the same old ancient palace. Old and ancient both are giving same meaning. So in this one only you have to keep in your mind that if more than two or only two words are giving same meaning, then it is called tautology. Now see the next. Yeah, see on the screen. Next one, that is the pun. Pun means what? First see the definition. When words with the same spelling or pronunciation are used in such a way that they express more than one meaning, then it is called pun. You know, previous one tautology, that was like homograph. You know, homophone. Two different words, same meaning. And this one is what? Okay, here only one word is there, or more than one word. Okay, more than one words are there, but they are giving the same meaning. Okay, but here is what is the difference? They are same spelling. Very important point. In tautology, same spelling was not there. So tautology is like homophone and pun is like homograph. same spelling and same accent also, same pronunciation also. Okay, yeah. Now see the examples. See the first. Her knowledge on sound is not sound. See, sound word is here, same spelling is here, same pronunciation is here. It is repeated 2 times. What my question is here? If any word is just used alone or repeated, the same spelling is there. See the sound, that they express more than one meaning. Here the meanings are different. Sound, see, her knowledge on sound is not sound. Sound, that is, very well, that is the hearing part, right? Sound is the science term, sound. And second is not sound. Second sound meaning is what? Not perfect, not good. So first sound and second sound, both meanings are different. So one word with different meaning, and tautology I taught you, different words with same meaning, totally opposite. I moved into a flat and I too had become somewhat flat. Here the flat is apartment and second flat is the motionless. Okay, where the person is, I can say where the person is not having emotion, emotionless, no feeling, that is the flat. Not motion, it is the emotion. Why doesn't the wing of a building fly? See here wing word is used only once, but it is having 2 meanings. First wing you know very well, that is wings of a bird, okay, the part of the body. Second is here wing means what? Apartment. Apartment of a building. Yeah, you can write this one as personification also, but here is my question regarding the pun. Yeah, in one sentence many figures of speech are possible, but here my question is here what? One single word, 2 meanings. So first wing, that is the part of the body, and second is the apartment. Now see fourth. Has the foot of the mountain any toes? Foot of a mountain. First foot you know very well, body's part. And second is here foot word is used for the mountain. Foot of the mountain means that is the lower part of the mountain, base part of the mountain. 2 meanings. You were right, so I left. Right, left, first meaning you know very well, used for the direction. But second meaning is here what? Right means you were right, means you were okay. So I left. Left means moved away from there. Can the garden plot be deep and dark? See, plot, here the first meaning is the land, and second meaning is the plot is the main part of a story, drama. Okay, so here also the 2 meanings are there. So wherever the any single word, if it is used once or 2 times, if the giving 2 different meanings, then it is called pun. Okay, yeah. Now see the next. Next one is the litotes. Litotes is what? See the definition. A negative statement, very important. Here we are using a negative statement with strong affirmative, see on the screen, a negative statement with a strong affirmative meaning. Here the statement is negative, but it is used with an affirmative meaning. See, it is not a laughing matter. It is not a laughing matter at all. See, in sentence we are seeing not is here. What is the definition? Litotes, negative statement with strong affirmative meaning. So here is what? Not a laughing matter is very serious matter. See the strong affirmative meaning. I can assure you he is no fool. He is no fool means he is intelligent person. I am not a little surprised at your conduct. Not a little surprised means too much surprised. He has caused me no little trouble means he caused me too much trouble. All in all, he is not a bad singer. See, he is not a bad singer means he is a good singer. It is not the best weather today. Not best weather means normal. See the second meaning, or medium. So this way here is only very simple negative statement with positive feeling, that is called litotes. Yeah, see the next one, that is the irony. Irony meaning you know very well, opposite. See the definition, showing opposite meaning without use of negative term. So whenever, why I included all these types together now, because somewhere now they are related with each other. Like I taught you first tautology and then pun. Okay, tautology, what I taught you, two different words with same meaning. What I taught you, pun, one word with different meanings. Same way I taught you here the litotes also, negative statement with positive meaning. But here is opposite of that one, showing opposite meaning without use of negative term. Previous one negative term was there, but the positive meaning was there. Here is what? Here is the without use of negative term, we are showing opposite meaning. First, a good friend you are to give out all my secrets. See here, a good friend you are to give out all my secrets. See what is the meaning here? Means you are not my good friend. You are like my enemy. You are like my foe. Who did what? Who gave out all secrets? Means see the opposite meaning. But here is what? You are using that term, see, showing opposite meaning without the use of negative term. The person should not be hurt. If you are using negative meaning, the person will be angry. But here without using negative term, you are expressing your main point. So understood? A good friend you are to give out all my secrets. Means you are not my good friend, you are bad friend. A traffic police gets suspended for not paying his parking tickets. Yes, traffic police, he is a controller. Okay, see carefully. A traffic police suspended for not paying his parking ticket. Okay. So here is what? Here the opposite meaning is there. Traffic police person. Yeah, a traffic police person who controls these things, that person is being suspended for not paying his parking tickets. Wisdom shall die with you. Wisdom shall die with you. Here is what? Means after that person death, whole wisdom, okay, here the knowledge, property, everything will go away. Next is the my foe, of course he was. Okay, what is here? Totally opposite. Means my friend, my foe, of course he was. Means the person, he was my enemy. Okay, he was my enemy, but I am not using here. Okay, here is what? My foe, of course he was. Okay, so my foe, of course he was, means really he was my enemy. Okay, but I am not using negative term, especially just to criticize that person. The defense lawyer failed to acquit his son in a case. Means here opposite meaning is what? Here the person was defense lawyer and he failed to acquit his son. He himself was a lawyer, defense lawyer, but failed to acquit his son in a case. Okay, so here the person's failureness is showing. Opposite meaning means one side he is a lawyer and second side he failed. It is the irony. A fire station burns down. Of course, fire station is what? Okay, their job is what? That means anywhere, of course, they have to by any way do the service by which fire should not break out. But here is what? Fire station burned down. It is opposite meaning. The department, the station whose job is to protect that departments, their own building, own station really burned down. So here wherever the opposite meanings are there, that is called the irony. Next, the last one here, especially in this video, that is the euphemism. Euphemism is what? See, when a harsh, of course very tough, unpleasant, which will not be suitable to the people, strong idea is expressed in mild terms, it is called an euphemism. Means where the harsh, unpleasant, strong idea we are expressing with mild terms, then it is called euphemism. See the first example. He is no more. Here he is no more means what? Here the person died. Okay, he is no more, person died. Second, but we are not using that term death here. That is the main important thing of euphemism. Gone to rest in peace means person passed away, died. He is telling fairy tales means the person is telling lie. What is the second meaning? Person is telling lie, but not, I am not saying the person the exact word. Sorry, you are wrong. You are telling lie. You are giving false information. We are not saying that. Just we use different terms. So here fairy tales word used specially for showing the persons the activity which is totally unacceptable. He is short of his accounts. Short of his account means person is poor. Financial burden is there. She bred her last. She bred her last. Here means what? The person died. Person passed away. Okay? She breathed her last. He has fallen asleep. He has fallen asleep means person passed away. So in euphemism we will keep in mind, we use mild term, we use suitable term, normal term by which we can present an unpleasant thing, right? So by this way, if you have watched carefully all these my 5 important topics here, I hope your all doubts might clear. And still, if you are a new subscriber, not subscribed my channel, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel Raj Grammar Center. Thank you.